Once again, a very good evening everyone. Today I am Aditya Pratap and I am the founder of Aditya Pratap Law Offices in Mumbai. Today I will speak on a very important topic, how to file a complaint for delay in flat possession. Now, the Real Estate Regulation Act lays down very strict timelines and parameters for delivery and handover of the flats. According to the RERA Act, the date of possession of the flat is the date which is specified in the builder buyer sale agreement. So what it says is that whenever the builder and buyer enter into a registered agreement for the sale of a flat, that agreement should contain the stipulated date of possession. That is the date by which the possession of the flat will be handed over with occupancy certificate by the builder to the flat buyer. And this date, which is intimated in the flat purchaser's agreement, that date has also to be intimated and uploaded on the website of the Real Estate Regulatory Authority. Now, once a flat buyer signs, pays the booking amount to the builder, moment the threshold of the booking amount crosses 10%, then the flat buyer has to ensure, the builder rather is under a legal obligation to ensure that he registers the agreement which is executed with the flat buyer. And that registered agreement should contain the prescribed date of possession. This means that on or before the prescribed date of possession, the possession of the flat with occupancy certificate should be handed over. So by the term with occupancy certificate means that the builder should have obtained the occupation certificate of the flat and then handed over the keys to the purchaser. Under no circumstances can the builder hand over a work in progress or a partially completed flat to the flat purchaser. Such handover will amount to clear-cut violation of the Real Estate Regulation Act. Now let me dwell upon an important topic, which is failure to hand over possession by the due date. Once the date of possession is there in the agreement and the same is intimated to RERA, then the builder has the liberty to hand over possession by that date or before that. However, if the date passes by and possession of the flat is not in sight, then the builder will be liable to pay penalty to the flat buyer. This penalty will be calculated at the rate of State Bank of India marginal cost of lending rate plus 2%. And in order to claim this penalty, the concerned home buyer can file a complaint with the Real Estate Regulatory Authority under Section 31 of the RERA Act, and the authority will proceed to decide it, and it will also appoint the adjudication officer, because the complaint will get filed before RERA, and then the RERA will forward the complaint to the adjudication officer, who is the judicial member of RERA, who is a district judge rank officer, and he will hear and decide the complaint for compensation on merits. So yes, the RERA Act prescribes a very clear-cut remedy for claiming delayed possession, and home buyers who are aggrieved by the gross delay in flat possession are encouraged to approach RERA and seek redressal of their grievances in a timely manner. And the RERA Act, indeed, as we have seen the track record over the last few years, a lot of judgments have come in the favor of home buyers, and it has significantly improved the prospects of seeking justice in this regard. I hope you found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more. Thank you all and have a great day.